This is Packing for Caucasus, Part 2. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you really quickly everything that I'm taking that is toiletry related. So everything about plasters, medicine, toothbrush, toothpaste, everything. Let's jump right in. Okay, so these are all the toiletries that I'm going to take. Starting from this side, I'm going to have these three things for the hair, and then the three packages to put all of this inside. In here, I'm going to have my regular medication and also some plasters for blisters and another package right here. And then this medication. This one is if I get sick because of something that I ate. This helps me to digest it. This one is specific if I get a cold. These two are for general pain or low fevers. This one is to stop diarrhea, and these ones are if I cannot poop, because this is also a problem when you travel. This one is just a regular moisturizer for your skin, and then I have two earplugs if someone snores near me or for me to sleep on the plane, and also some multivitamins. Then I will also take a sample of perfume, not that I usually use it, but just if I feel very fancy during the trip. Then a hand gel, a hand sanitizer if something is too dirty for me to touch. These two are sunscreen. This one is more for the face and stronger, and this one for the rest of the body. I just need small ones because I'm not going to spend too much time in the sun. This is also a little moisturizer for the body. This one is just all the earrings and necklaces that I'm going to take. I use these tampon boxes. This is just a really good hack when you travel to make it all inside. Then we have deodorant, Vaseline, and also lip balm. Then I have my razor, my toothbrush, and my toothpaste. By using the solid one, I can have more liquids inside the allowed volume. So this one is great, and it's from Lush. I realized that I didn't explain what these are. So these are basically little packages with a powder for you to hydrate yourself. These were designed to when you puke or when you have awful diarrhea, but I use them also when I have long flights or when I have a lot of traveling because they help me to stay hydrated and to feel better and less jet-lagged. I have my hairbrush. And in here I have everything that I need to shower, so my shampoo in bar, solid. I have soap for the body, and I also have soap to wash my clothes, and I have hair condition in also the solid form. However, because sometimes I can get sick of this kind of products, I am taking these two samples that I have at home, and they are about to expire as emergency shampoo, and also in here emergency conditioner if I get sick of the solid one. Lastly, I have repellent, and also if I forget to put this repellent, I have this one for after the mosquito bites. So yeah, this is all. Let's try to put it inside the boxes. Oops, forgot these ones. Because I don't wear makeup, I never have that extra luggage with me. I consider taking a lipstick, but the truth is it's gonna be so hot that I'm always going to be drinking water and touching my face and doing everything. So I'm just going to ruin the lipstick anyways, and I think that it's going to melt. So I just decided not to take anything else. There are, however, three things that I didn't show you and that I'm also taking with me. So for starters, I'm going to take a nail clipper and a pair of tweezers. I don't need to explain you why this is useful, I think. And this all fits inside this one. Other thing that I forgot to show you is my menstrual cup. I'm also bringing this, and if you're a girl and you like to travel or you like to save money or the environment, just really try this one out. It is hard the first time that you try it because you don't know how to put it in, but you will learn the way to fold it to make it as comfortable as possible. And also it just gets so much cheaper because tampons are just way too expensive. And with this, you don't have to worry about. You just change it before going to bed and in the morning after when you wake up, and then you're set for the day. It's just awesome. You don't need to worry about if there are going to be toilets in the place that you're going or whatever. The third thing that I forgot to show you that I'm also bringing is these three protein packages. As a vegetarian, going to Armenia and Georgia, where the cuisine is really heavy on meat, I'm not sure if there are going to be a lot of alternatives for me. So just to be safe, I'm going to bring these three, and if I feel that my feeding is not being the best, I will take these. This is all for toiletries. Just forgot to say that the sunscreen, I'm going to put it on my face every day because it's going to be really a lot of sun and I don't want to get sunburned. That's a way to identify tourists in Portugal, and I don't want to be one of those people when in Armenia or Georgia. Other than that, I'm just super excited. At the time that this video is going live, I'm already trying to cross the border between Armenia and Georgia. I hope that everything is going well with my trip. I'm pretty sure it is. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe and come back every Sunday for more. Beijinhos! I will just check. The third thing.